Physical punishment may stop a behavior for the moment, but it can also hurt a child far beyond that moment. Kapag sinasaktan, pinapalo, o sinisigawan ng bata, their brain goes into survival mode. Hindi na sila focused sa pagkatuto. They are focused on fear. Over time, physical punishment can lead to more aggression, anxiety, and low self-esteem. Pagsisinungaling dahil sa takot, hirap magtiwala sa magulang, at paniniwalang okay lang manakit kapag galit. Discipline should teach, not terrify. Instead of physical punishment, try natural consequences, calm and firm boundaries, time-ins instead of pinapabayaan mag-isa, helping them name their feelings, at pagtuturo kung ano ang dapat nilang gawin next time. For example, instead of, tumigil ka nga o papaluin kita, try, I won't let you hurt people. Mag-calm down muna tayo, then we'll talk. Hindi natin goal na palakihin ang mga batang sumusunod dahil takot sila. We want to raise kids who choose what's right because they understand, feel safe, and feel respected. This is a friendly reminder from Teacher Julia and friends. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel, English and Filipino for Kids.